What I love about my team is that whenever we have a problem, we solve it. Most of the products and services we've created have derived from problems that we've had within our organization that we needed to form a solution for. And then we realize, hey, if we have this problem, maybe another entrepreneur, business owner, or organization is having this problem. And that's what happened with S.E.E.N, our bias education and techniques training. I know what you're thinking, oh, more DEI stuff. Now they're just using the word bias. No, baby, bias has always been the issue. Bias is made up of your beliefs, your ideas, your assumptions, and the stories. Whether it's stories you're telling yourself, you've told yourself, or someone else has told you. And even if it was DEI, so what? DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion, is not about lowering standards. It's about expanding opportunities. Whether you're an individual, an entrepreneur, a business owner, a CEO, organization, a corporation, an enterprise, bias education is a necessity. Bias education is a must to navigate life. Bias education is a must to be seen. So check out our Be Seen Bias Education and Techniques program at www.p2ppress.com.